Watch me as I make those 10 corn rolls from scratch, watching every step of it. Let's go. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. To my subscribers, I love you so much. Thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching my video, thanks for your support, thanks for the likes. It's just a sign to me that you guys are liking my content, you guys are liking my video, and that alone encourages me more to keep shooting more videos and posting. To my viewers, I love you so much, and to my intended subscribers, this is a fun place, an interesting place to be. So feel free, you're welcome. Subscribe and join the team. Join my community. It's a fun place here. It's an interesting place here. So guys, in today's video, we'll be making 10 corn rolls. We all know Africans in UK or US or Canada, one of our major challenge is getting our hair done. Unlike back home, like in Nigeria, you can easily walk into a nearby salon. Salon is everywhere. You can just walk in and get your hair done within some minutes, an hour. But it's not like that here. One major skill you need to learn as a lady or as a woman before crossing over to western area or western region, if you are in Africa, is braiding. You have to have that skill. You should be able to braid your hair, or even if you can't braid, ensure you know how to make a corn roll, because we end up relying more on our hair extension, our wig. So instead of the braiding, so you see most of all we go on wig, and for you to wear your wig, you should be able to make a good corn roll. So today I just finished washing my hair and I dried my hair using my hand dryer and combed it out because I have undergrowth under, and because I don't want to retouch my hair, I have to use this hot comb and hand dryer to brush it out so that it's kind of light and it will be much easier when I'm making my corn roll. So without wasting time, let's dive straight into the video. So like I said, I'm going to make 10 corn rolls, right? So for me to achieve that, I have to pat it at the center like I'm doing so. So I'll be alternating between looking at my phone and looking at the mirror behind me. So right now I'm going to turn so I can see what I'm doing and pat it very well. So I've gotten my center. So this is my center. Yeah, so I'll be using this oil. If you've not watched my video on how I made this my hair growth hair butter, I'm going to add the link to this video I'm making. So I'm using this hair growth butter, okay, and I'll be using this gel like edge control. So I'll be using this, and then I'll be using my combs. So having gotten the center, I'm going to pack up this side and to this side. So I'll make sure that I get 5 corn rows here and 5 corn rows here, making it 10, right? So guys, like I said, I'm going to face the mirror so I will get my own row first. So I'll be using this to pin the side down. So I've gotten this is the first one. So I'm just going to use my gel. So I use this gel in front of it before I start braiding, so guys, that's cool. So guys, this is my first 5 comb rows. Yeah, so we are heading over to the second part. So that this video will not be too long, I'm going to do this behind the screen, then I will show you guys later. So guys, so we are on the 10th one. Whoa! So 5, 4, remaining 1. So let's go. Look at my hair. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10. Oh, so guys, this is my 10 comb row. So guys, on a scale of 1 to 5, what figure are you going to give me? Can you rate this hair for me? I'm going to give you a 360 turn around so you can see it properly. Okay, yeah. So what are you going to rate it? Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye for now. Thank